y'all. Today we're gonna be doing unboxing of the Turbo Fry 2-quart air fryer. I got this for my birthday. Thank you to my friend who got this for my birthday. I'm not gonna tell her y'all name because she don't want to be bothered by crazy people. But thank you to my friend for my birthday gift. And you open the box. You got the instructions. Happy with your purchase? I am absolutely happy with my purchase. Thank you so much. You know I didn't purchase it. It was the best gift that was purchased for me for my birthday. I don't know what this is. Happy with your purchase. Yep. Air fryer user guide. Quick start guide. We're going to look at those because we won't have no problems trying to start this up. I think it's one of the air fryers. They don't use grease. If I'm not slow, I think it is the power of air. Fry using power of air. It's the little quick cheat sheet. Step 1. Oh, I got a lot of steps before you get to step 1 because she's still in the box. So we're going to put it to the side for a second. These are the bonus liners. This is my first air fryer. I have no idea how to do nothing in the air fryer. I have never eaten air fried food, I don't think. If I did, nobody told me it was air fried. So these are the liners. I don't know what they're for yet. It's a learning process along the way. Got this tray that comes in the box. I guess this goes inside of here somehow. Learning. We're gonna learn today. Got some bubble wrap. Bubble wrap just ain't the bubble wrap that it used to be. Not that many bubbles. Styrofoam. How can you reuse styrofoam? Let me know. It's the bag. It probably got the suffocation warning on there. These bags still come with the children's suffocation warning on there. It does. So. Why the box say black? Because this is not black unless I am really colorblind. Oh my god. Oh! It's so coordinated with everything else in here. It's my proper coordination. Let's take this out the way, guys. Let's see. So, here is my air fryer. There she goes. There's nothing else in the box. Gonna put this away. Here's the trash. Took the paper covering off of the thing. Let's see, where's the quick start guide? Dropped it already. Yeah, here we go. Quick start guide. Okay. First step. Set the unit on a firm surface with this base on top and sides. Pull out the basket. So, step 1. Oh, pull out the basket. Hold on. Wait. I mean, it's still a firm surface. Like, oh, you gotta take this tape off this side. Y'all see that? There's tape on the side, so. Take the tape off the sides. This is crazy. I feel like I'm behind a little bit. And why I can't get this off? You know, make the little tape piece right there for people with nails. You know how I be when you start off tape on the tape off? Because this is crazy. Just hurting me. I be like, baby, can you come help me do this? Because this. Okay, there we go. Got it off. Boom. Pull your tray out. There's another set of instructions. In great shape. We know you don't have tons. Take care. Clean the air fryer. So tell you how to clean it. Blah, blah. Step 2. Lower the rack into the basket. Wait, 2, there we go. So, okay. Take your rack and insert it into the basket. wash it before I use it, don't worry. Insert the basket into the unit and push close. So I guess you're supposed to have a little space down there in between that. And push this into there. And step 4 is select desired temperature. So what is this? Let's see. Because I've seen people baking in here. Okay, so you put it in temperature. And then that's it, about halfway through cooking. Select desired temperature. The heat indicator light will not come to set. About halfway through cooking, shake or flip food. That's it. All right, y'all. Let's go cook. Thank you for my gift, my friend. I love you so much.